Namaste, student. Myself, Dr. Suraj Agad, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today, I will discuss about criteria of agroforestry system classification. Agroforestry system classification में क्या-क्या criteria होना चाहिए? Then scientists Combe proposed 24 agroforestry systems based on three types of association of the trees with crops, with pasture, and with both crops and pasture. Then second, to measure function of the tree component, production and protection. Two, spatial arrangement, regular or irregular. And two types of temporal association, temporary and permanent. The most obvious and easy to use criteria of classifying agroforestry systems are the spatial and temporal arrangement of components, the importance and role of components, the production aims or outputs from the system, and the social and economic features. They correspond to the system structure, function, socio-economic nature, or ecological environment spread. These characteristics also represent the main purpose of classification scheme. Therefore, agroforestry system can be categorized according to these set of criteria. First, structural basis, functional basis, socio-economic basis, and ecological basis. क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है ये एग्रोफोरेस्ट्री सिस्टम क्लासिफिकेशन किस बेस पे करते हैं? एक तो करते हैं स्ट्रक्चर बेसिस, फंक्शनल बेसिस, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक बेसिस एंड इकोलॉजिकल बेसिस. Then different charts in agroforestry system classification by Combe. This chart, then permanent and temporarily agroforestry, then agroforestry system relative allocation of land of components, percent land allocation, agriculture, part of forestry, land allocation. Then Vergara 1982 considered the relative allocation of land, trees, crop, pasture in various agroforestry system. Then this chart is show forest, animal husbandry, crops. Then Tejwani 1987 suggests a classification which among the other things also took into account relative dominance of trees, of crops and pasture. Then this figure is show agroforestry system, then tree plus, then tree system, tree, crop and livestock. Tree is silviculture, tree and crop is agri-silviculture, tree and livestock is agri-pasture, and tree is livestock and crop is agri-silvi-pasture. Then tree for livestock is agri-pasture. Then tree role protection, agri-silviculture in tree role protection and service, interaction space and time, and distribution mixed and zonal. Then this is the criteria of agroforestry classification system. Thank you.